What's up, guys? It's Wee Wee, and I'm representing my favorite brand, Bombers and Sleeves, and I just got in my new big skull tees, new colors, new style. I love the fit, I love the feel, but you know what? Summer is coming, ladies, and don't we like to get a little bit more revealing, a little bit more sexy, show some skin? So I'm gonna show you how to cut these badass tees into something a little bit more spicy. First, you'll need a scissor and a Sharpie. Then you're going to take the shirt, turn it inside out, and draw yourself a V-neck line. You can go as low as you want to go. Take your scissor, cut around the collar, and follow those lines you drew. I also poke some holes in it to give it that street style wear and tear look. Alright ladies, that's one way to rock these tees. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to customize your big skull tees. Shop bombersandsleeves.com.